toes. Feel the energy entering into your toes from Mother Earth. See its relaxing effect. Let this energy move upward to your feet and ankle. Feel how it rejuvenates and relaxes this part of the body. Let this energy move upward to your lower legs. Feel the detensioning effect of this energy moving upward into your calf muscles. Your knees. Your upper legs. The entire area touching the chair, including the back. Feel this energy relaxing the entire back. Let this energy move forward, relaxing abdominal muscles. Chest area. Your shoulders. Here, feel especially the melting effect, the tensioning effect in your shoulders. Feel that they're melting away. Let this energy move to your arms. Feeling its effect through biceps and your elbow and wrist area, your palms and fingers and your fingertips. Let this energy move and rejuvenate the entire length of our arms. It's okay if this energy can ooze out through our fingertips. Let it. Now let's pay our attention to neck muscles. Feel the energy relaxing all the neck muscles. Now let this energy move upward, relaxing all the facial muscles, forehead, your eyes, lips, earlobes, top of your head. Feel this energy now flowing in a very gentle way from the feet, rising up slowly upward through the steps we just followed to the crown of our head. If you feel like revisiting the stressed area of your body, you can pay extra attention now until that part of the body is also fully relaxed. Now we gently move into meditation. We'll be going deeper into ourselves through our heart with the help of transmission. I'll be transmitting to you all, and I assure you, you will all feel it. So now, once again, let's close our eyes. Gently focus on the heart. Just where it's beating away. 2-3 fingers below our left nipple. Think that the source of light which is in my heart is pulling my attention inward. And let this thought rest. We'll continue with this meditation for, let's say, 20 minutes.